I'm having some technical difficulties using my mic, so it's back to regular old me. But here is my SnackCrate video for February. And this month, we are going to Ireland for snacks, which is fitting since I now have red hair. But for our Ireland snacks, so fun fact, this is the box it came in, which is twice the size. Let me see if I can close the box again. But, okay, this is the actual box with the snacks. This is the box it came in because I ordered some extras for this box, and they are these little Nomo cookie dough little chocolate bars. So I got 3 of these in the box, and they sent me a box that's twice as big for 3 little chocolate bars. But we are trying snacks from Ireland today, so let's dig in. We have burger bites. I don't even know what these are. Are these like corn chips or something? I don't know, let's look. We got these burger bites that are beef flavor, so that's gonna be interesting. They are, yeah, they're corn puffs that taste like a burger. Alright then. And we have shamrocks and sour cream chips. I love the cow, that's so cute. Meanies pickled onion flavored little chips. So we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, these are corn puffs too. So these little chip corn puffs. We have Club Orange Soda, which it's got real fruit bits in it. So that might be good. I'll put that over here for just a second. And we have Caffrey's Big Time. So this is, it's a chocolate bar covered in toffee. So that's that one. And we have a Stinger bar. That's the Stinger bar, which is, it's got a tutti frutti flavor and a fizzy center. Interesting. And then last but not least, we have strawberry bonbons. And it has a burst of strawberry flavor. So I'm going to start with the strawberry bonbons since that's the last thing I picked up, and we will see how they taste. If you're just joining me, I'm trying my snacks from Ireland today, and I'm starting with the strawberry bonbons. There's a very strong strawberry smell. This is what they look like. They're just little tiny, they look like those conversation hearts. Looks like chalk. They're very hard. Okay, we'll put those down. Oh my gosh. That was super hard. Alright, let's try this Stinger bar, because that sounds interesting. It's also going to take me a little bit to finish this strawberry bonbon. But we will try the Stinger bar. If I can get it open. So the the texture and the consistency of these is almost like a Laffy Taffy, but I feel like they break a little bit more easier than a Laffy Taffy. So I just broke it into A few little pieces. Sorry. I wasn't expecting the bonbon to be so hard. Alright. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's try this Stinger bar. And I don't... You guys probably can't see, but there's the little fizzy center. It's in there. You probably can't see it on the video, but they are in there. This is kind of hard to chew too, and they're just getting stuck in my teeth. But back to the strawberry bonbons. The taste isn't that bad. I'm not a huge strawberry fan. They're not bad though, but they are super hard. So if you have fragile teeth, I don't recommend eating them. The Stinger bar, it's actually really good. I don't really taste a fizzy center per se, but it is really good. It is also a little hard to chew, and it gets stuck in your teeth, so be mindful of that when eating this. I'm gonna put the other one to the side for now. Otherwise, I'll be sitting here chewing it all night. Next, I'm gonna try these shamrock and sour cream chips, which I'm very excited. And I love the bag. The little cow is so cute. Sorry guys, that's really stuck in my teeth. Okay. Anyway, so these are the chips. Just look like regular chips. They smell not quite like sour cream and onion, but sort of like sour cream and onion. They taste just like sour cream and onion chips. So I like those. Oh, they have a little like kick after the, like an aftertaste. I don't know what I'm saying, sorry. And then next I'm gonna try these meanies. These little pickled onion flavor corn chips. That should be interesting. Oh, that smell. It's not even really a pickle smell. It's like a... I don't even know how to describe that. Let's see what the book says again. It just says corn-based puffs dusted with a bold, tangy, and punchy pickled onion flavor. I mean, I guess that smells like a pickled onion. I don't know what a pickled onion smells like. Let's see. This is what they look like. Kind of looks like this little demon thing on the bag. Let's see how they taste. Pickled onions, not my thing. Oh, I'm gonna need a drink after that. Let's try this Club Orange Soda. It says with real bits, so I'm assuming that means real pieces of orange. Smells like orange soda. It smells very good. That's actually pretty good. That's a very good orange soda. So we'll put that over here. And then next we will try, I guess we'll try these Caffrey's Big Time. I don't remember what this was. Oh, this was the chocolate covered in toffee. So let's try that. It smells good. This is what it looks like. Just milk chocolate. Sorry, that was harder to bite into than I thought. Alright. Well, clearly I can't really bite into that. This is me attempting to take a bite. The toffee is very thick. I'll have to go with a small bite. It's very good. I do like this. I just wish it weren't so hard to bite into. And then last for this one are these burger bites that are beef flavored. So I'm very curious, anxious. Not really sure what the word is for these. They look like just little corn bites. They don't have a strong smell. Kind of smells, well, kind of smells like ketchup, I guess. I guess you could say it smells like ketchup. Upon first taste, all I really get is the like corn puff taste, but the more you chew it, the more that burger taste comes out. So that's very interesting. It's not terrible, I will say that. The pickled onion flavored meanies, that was probably the worst thing in this box. But the burger bites, not terrible, but also not great. So that's those. And then I'm going to try one of my Nomo cookie dough bars that I ordered as my add-on for this box. And if you're just joining, again, I'm trying snacks from Ireland today. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Taking time out of your busy days to watch me make many faces while trying snacks. It's much appreciated. Oh, they're cute. They look like little reindeer. Let's see how they taste. I love me some cookie dough and chocolate. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is definitely my favorite in the box. As far as, well, I do like the shamrock and sour cream chips. These. Those were pretty good. Tastes like sour cream and onion. I do like the cookie dough Nomo bar. And according to the packaging, these are plant powered. Not sure if you can read that. But that is my snack crate for this week. Well, not this week, sorry, this month. I'm sorry I didn't get it out to you sooner. February was a very busy month around here. But again, I have these little Nomo cookie dough chocolate bars that I added on as extras. These burger bites. I have these pickled onion flavored meanies. The shamrock and sour cream chips. The Caffrey's bar, the big time bar with the toffee in it. The, let's see, the Stinger bar, and I have the strawberry bonbons, and then for the drink I had this Club orange soda. So that is my Ireland snack crate. Thank you again for watching and joining me as I do my faces and tasting of these snacks. And I will see you next month. Bye!